All right. Wood delivery to the lathe shop. I remembered I had some nice wide cherry boards I cut. This one's got a little bit of a check in it, so it's hard to say what it'll do. But I figured I could make some really nice platters out of this stuff. So, you know, I get about, I don't know, it's 16, but by the time you cut it down and turn to a platter, and my lathe will only do 14 anyway, so that'll work out perfect. So we got our cut line there. I'll go like 14 and a half for each one. They're going to end up being closer to like 13, 12 or something like that by the time you turn them. But this should make some really nice material. I'm grateful to have it. I got a really thick piece there. That might make more of a saucer or something like that, a little bit deeper. Let me grab this old steel MS-271, Old Faithful. We'll see how many tries it takes to start a steel. All right, let's see. Choke on. 1 pull, 2 pull, 3 hit pull. 5 pull. Bring it around here. Make it better. I'll get it away. Bring it on down a little bit. So, I know this is going to have a knot in it. That might be something special when I go to cut that. But let me eyeball estimate 14 inches there. Get that cut big old chunk of cherry right there. 14 right there. That's going to make a big bowl. Of course, you'll cut it off here. That'll make a nice piece. This right here, cut that down the length. A little too long. 14. Right there. That right there is some nice warmth during the winter. Good firewood stove material. So that'll be nice. I gotta peel the bark off of it because I gotta let this dry a little bit more. So it's got a little bit of ants in it. Ants love the cherry, so I'll peel the bark off and put it in storage, and it will be some future wood turning projects. I don't think I can make much out of that. I might better do something with it. I'm not throw any good lumber away. I got some poplar here too. I'm not going to cut that up right now, but these are just slabs, and the slabs tend to dry out pretty fast. So, and they make nice wide bowls. Not very deep, but platters work are like 2-inch deep, 2.5-inch, easily out of those. So, whew, that'll make some nice stuff right there. Just keep collecting because I got to keep it drying. I run out of dry stuff pretty quick, so I'll keep it on top of getting stuff cut up and put in storage somewhere dry in a kiln or something. Soon we're going to make a little baby kiln that's going to go here. It'll hold like 4.5-foot stuff, and it's going to be a not just a solar kiln, but it's actually going to have a dryer and everything in it. So that'll be sometime this fall. I got a chore stuff to do, so one thing at a time. But there we go, some nice cherry. Gonna make some awesome bowls.